I'm lonesome but happy, rich but I'm broke, and the good Lord knows the reason. I'm just a cowpoke. From Cheyenne to Douglas, all the ranges I know, 'cause I drift with the wind, no one cares where I go. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I ain't got a dime in these old wore-out jeans, so I'll stop eating steak and I'll go back to beans. I'll pick up a 10 spot in Prescott, I know, a riding the Bronx in the big rodeo. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Some evening in springtime, a filly I'll find, and I might spend all summer with her on my mind. But I'll never be branded, never be broke. I'm a carefree, range-riding, drifting cowpoke.